Ema Datshi. Chili and cheese. A side dish from Bhutan. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Cut chilies longitudinally into 4 sections each. Step 2. Put these chilies and chopped onions in a pot of water. Step 3. Add 2 teaspoons vegetable oil. Then boil in medium heat for about 10 minutes. Add tomato and garlic and boil for another 2 minutes. 4. Add cheese and let it remain for 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Finally, add coriander Keep it
and
closed
turn
for
off the
2
heat.
minutes. As always, serve with a generous portion of red rice or polished white rice, along with some other dish. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.